What's up, everybody? Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the GROOOOK token. Now this is just like the GROK token, except for some reason there is 5 O's. So the name of the token is GROK with 5 O's, and that is also the ticker symbol. This token is about to start their pre-sale on pinksale.finance in about a day and a half or so. We're going to go over the information on the GROOOOK token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. The GROOOOK token. So GROOOOK is a meme coin inspired by the latest artificial intelligence tool on the market. It's under development by xAI, an artificial intelligence startup under the leadership of Elon Musk. Top trending after launch, no team tokens, no private sale, audited by Cyberscope, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko Fast Track, low tax of 5 and 5. Staking rewards of up to 300% annual percentage yield. Biggest buy price 10 BNB. Based dev, renounced contract at launch, and global marketing. So this is going to be a public pre-sale. You don't need to be on a whitelist or anything like that. Initial market cap estimate is $3,543. So soft cap is 10 BNB, and there is no hard cap for this pre-sale, so it's just going to continue until time runs out. Pre-sale is going to start exactly November 27th at 13 hours UTC time and go until November 28th, 13 hours UTC time. So it's a 24-hour pre-sale, no hard cap. Now, if you end up missing the pre-sale shortly after the pre-sale is over, since this is a Binance Smart Chain token, it'll go over to PancakeSwap. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the GROOOOK token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, GROOOOK.vip. Now, you'll probably have to set your slippage around 5% because of those taxes. And that could be for buy, sells, and maybe transfers as well. And liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 90 days. Now, 90 days, around 3 months, that's not the longest liquidity lock, so hopefully they do extend that lock. I would follow their socials to see if they do. Now, their 5% taxes are split up. 2% goes to marketing and 3% goes to buyback. Now, there's 9 decimal places on this token, and a total supply here of, it's a million, billion, trillion, 420 quadrillion GROOOOK tokens. They do have a full audit by Cyberscope, and you can check out the PDF of that audit on PinkSale. So yeah, if you want to see new updates and listings and announcements, partnerships, all that type of stuff, I would follow their socials. So they have a Telegram at GROOOOK VIP, 206 members on there so far. You can email them if you have any questions at info@groook.vip. And then they have a Twitter, and as always, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over there so you guys can easily find this project at GROOOOK VIP on Twitter. Just joined in November 2023, brand new project, only 39 followers on the Twitter so far. Has all the info in their pinned tweet here. Inspired by GROK AI and Elon Musk. Audit by Cyberscope. No private sale. No team tokens. Staking APY 300%. CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Fast Track, Base Dev, Global Marketing, Contract announced at launch. And yeah, so tons of info there in their pinned tweet that you could find. And then they have a link to buy the token. And yeah, so they have their pre-sale information on that Twitter there as well. Big news on the horizon. We've welcomed an exceptional marketer to the GROK family today. Brace yourself for groundbreaking strategies and fresh perspectives. The countdown to pre-sale excitement just got even more thrilling. So they don't even really tell you who that team member is, but whoever that is. Yeah, so they can find announcements like that in their Twitter. Like, exciting update, GROK smart contract has just passed with flying colors through the audit. Even though they say that, always review the audit for yourself. Influencer buzzing, drawn to the brilliance of our sarcastic AI. Get ready for the pre-sale. A journey into the future begins soon. GROK pre-sale. And they do have a link to their audit as well on their Twitter. Unveiling the rebellious AI born from the genius minds of xAI, inspired by Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. GROK stands out as a unique wit tackling even the most contentious questions. The future of AI, are you ready? So that's basically all the info on their Twitter there. Now, they do have a token metrics allocation pie chart. It says 30% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 14.99% go to liquidity, 10% goes to staking, 10% loyalty bonus, 10% central exchange listings, 5% airdrop, and then we have 0.6% of the tokens are unlocked and 19.4% of the tokens get burnt. There is a free and quick light audit by Analytics Audit in the discussion section, and it says no mint function found. Owner cannot mint new tokens after initial deployment. Owner cannot change fees over 25%. Owner cannot set max transaction. Owner cannot change trading status. Owner cannot blacklist users, and owner has not to manually enable trading. So all good check marks there on their quick audit. So GROOOOK is a meme coin inspired by Elon Musk. Now it says GROK. It just basically goes over what GROK is, similar to ChatGPT, Bard. However, what sets it apart is its sarcastic tone. So, yeah, then it has some tweets from Elon Musk on their webpage. It has a link to their chart when it goes live on... after the pre-sale is over, you can check out the chart on their webpage. It says it has a diverse community. And they're staking, so you will be able to stake your tokens, loyalty bonus, airdrops, tokenomics on their webpage, and then contact emails. So basically the same sort of info that they have on their Twitter and socials, they have on their webpage. Nothing really new there. But I'm sure they'll come out with more info in the future. Now, go check this pre-sale out on Pink Sale, and let me know down there in the comment section, what do you guys think about this GROOOOK token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.